What's up? What's up? Welcome to Boome's channel, January 25th, 2021. Okay, so a lot of you may know I like these Mailbox Cash opportunities. I've been a part of Club Cash Fund for some time now, and I realized after going through my videos that I've made a lot of review videos regarding Club Cash Fund, and actually all 9 of these sales that I got in Club Cash Fund were due to my review videos on YouTube. And I actually realized that my links that I have on YouTube, they are no longer working anymore. So because I was noticing here and there that I was getting random $20 cash payments sent to me from Club Cash Fund, and I stopped getting them at the end of the summer of 2020, and I just realized that I never built the list for Club Cash Fund on my YouTube channel. So I wasn't seeing these old videos, and so I wasn't realizing that the links weren't going to anything anymore. And so I'm here to make an update with Club Cash Fund. I'm still actively promoting Club Cash Fund, and I could say that I'm promoting it because it only takes a one-time $100 to get started with Club Cash Fund. When I joined, it was actually a one-time $80, and then the price went up because a lot of people started joining Club Cash Fund at once there for a second there. So Club Cash Fund actually has matching pay that pays 3 levels deep matching pay. So how this works is your sponsor is actually going to get $20, and his sponsor is actually going to his sponsor is actually going to get $20, and then the person up above them is going to get $20. So you could see to where this can I'll finish out the other $20 gets distributed out to a random payment, which goes to the pro members, and then there's the $20 that goes to the admin, the creator, John and Chad Stalvey. So $100 gets distributed out 5 different ways with this. So you can see where you joining this program and helping when you start getting people referred into this Mailbox Cash opportunity, it really benefits to you to help your team leverage and start getting people under them. So I suggest that you go in and help get your downline people under you, help them get their first couple of sales. I actually had my members on a rotator, and that's what I'm going to do for anybody that joins under me with this Club Cash Fund. I actually have a different capture page system that I'm using. That's why my links are broken. I'm going to put the people under me that I'm going to actually put them on a rotator. So when people click my videos that are interested in getting Mailbox Cash, that the link will randomly go towards other members in Club Cash Fund from my video. Because either way, if my members get signups under them, I'm still going to be getting the matching pay for $20, and then even when they get signups, I'm going to be getting matching pay also. So that $100 gets distributed out 5 levels deep. And before I go into the pro membership, I'm not a member of the pro membership, but since I've last made a review on Club Cash Fund, they actually are connected with some different opportunities. There's the besteasywork.com. Best Easy Work, it's actually a low ticket that goes all the way to a high ticket opportunity. You can actually get paid as a free member with Best Easy Work, and Club Cash Fund actually connected with Best Easy Work. You can actually put your Club Cash Fund link in the downline builder within Best Easy Work, and if you're part of like Easy One Up and a lot of different other programs, you can actually enter your link into Best Easy Work, and you can make money with that affiliate program as a free member. And then there's List Leverage, which is a type of marketing system it's been out there for about a year or so now, and Then there's traffic authority. If you guys have been following the multiple income systems, traffic authority is a way to get paid advertising, get paid leads, and that's kind of the update with Club Cash Fund. And you're going to see that you have some members here, how many referrals they have in here. This has the top referrals on here. And what the product is for Club Cash Fund is you're actually going to get some training. It's going to be basic training about email profits bootcamp. It's going to go into the basics of email marketing. And then there's a course, it's called Dominating with Free Facebook Strategies. And then these are the pro modules that you don't have access to if you're not a pro member of Club Cash Fund. So that's what the products are. You're actually getting these training courses, Email Profits Bootcamp, and then the Facebook free strategies. And so as a pro, if you're going to be become a pro member, okay, from time to time, John and Chad Stalvey, they do some pretty cool promotions. If you join at a higher level or a lower level, they'll actually give you a bonus and give you access to the higher level. And let's see how you can upgrade to a pro member. I'm actually going to click this here. Okay, so pro members, they actually get paid faster and instantly because they use Cash App. With the basic level, you're actually going to get cash sent to you in your mailbox. And how this works is you send the $100 to the company, the Club Cash Fund company, John and Chad Stalvey, and then they actually divide this $100 out between the 5 different levels, the sponsor and their sponsor and up, and then the random cash payment, and then the admin. They divide that out, and then they send the payments out like a week later. So as a pro member, you're going to get access to getting paid faster. You can get flyers and postcards and more marketing choices, and there's additional training modules. Then you can get fast track commissions, and these are the different commissions that you can get paid as a pro member. It starts off from 50 to 150 to 250 to 350 to 500, and these commissions, they actually work the same way. You're going to be able to get matching pay 3 levels deep, and then a random member is going to get the payment, and then the company's going to get the admin. Okay, so this is what it costs to go pro and upgrade. For the 1 month, it's $150. That's going to position you to get $50 commissions. And then the $400 level, it covers you for 3 months, and you're actually going to get paid $150 off of that pro level. The 6 month, which is $700, you're actually going to position you to get $250 per sale. Then the $900 for 9 months positions you to get $350 per sale, and then the $1,000 positions you to get $500 per sale, and you're going to earn on all membership sales below this. And so this is the methods that you could use to get paid. There's Zelle, Cash App, and Venmo. And in my videos, I've never talked about the pro upgrade because I didn't upgrade to the pro. I'm actually a member of a $1,000 cash only mailbox opportunity. If you guys want more information about that, then definitely hit me up on my phone number below. I'm not going to go into details about that because it's a different program, but I just wanted to come here and do an update with Club Cash Fund. I haven't did an update for a while, and one of the great things about this opportunity is it's a one-off payment. So like I said, I joined this, I think it was 2019 or it may have been 2018. I think it was 2019. I don't even remember. But the last commission that I got was in the end of summer of 2020. And the only reason that I stopped getting commissions on that is because I did not realize that I had a broken link in all of my video reviews that I've made, and I didn't actually go to some of those videos that I did and show you guys that I was actually using a old domain that actually was outdated with my Club Cash Fund videos, which was boomyourincome.com, and I just kind of quit using that. I wasn't kind of lost interest in using that name. I'm now using Success with Buddy. So these are some of the videos that I have on Club Cash Fund, a bunch of different reviews, and then I have putting your mailbox cash opportunity on steroids by using the SMS phone leads. That's actually my old SMS phone leads number on the thumbnail right there. And then there's one of my commissions that I got. I think it was $40 commissions, and so I got a number of videos out there that I did reviews on. I have more on there. I just didn't add them to this list yet. I still have to go in here and update it, put all the correct links in there. But I just wanted to do a really quick review video on Club Cash Fund because it's been some time since I did a review video. It's 2021. I am still promoting this Mailbox Cash opportunity. I have a few different Mailbox Cash opportunities. One is a program that's a $5 cash cow and a $20 cash cow, where it's a flyer opportunity. And then I have Club Cash Fund, and then of course I have Mailbox Cash. This is not MLM Pro, Mailbox Cash, where you can get $1,000 commissions, unlimited $1,000 cash only commissions. So this is the back office of Club Cash Fund. You get a website. You do get a capture page in here, and you guys have probably seen this capture page. That's kind of circulating around on traffic exchanges and banner ads. It's a cool capture page, but if you want to stick out differently, you kind of want to use a different capture page. I like to use bridge pages, so I let people know that I'm a real person, and then I just link them directly. You can skip the capture page, and it goes to this page where you request a free starter kit. You just listen to this free under 2-minute video, and then you can just request a free starter kit. You don't have to stuff any envelopes. You don't have to buy any stamps, anything like that. You just actually do it just like if you're just an affiliate marketing program. You get people towards the presentation, have them watch the video, and then they can request a free starter kit. They're actually going to get a 6-page colored flyer sent to them in the mail, probably about a week and a half or 2 weeks after they request the kit. And then it gives them the information to get started. It'll say send the one-time $100 cash to GPSC Solutions. That's Club Cash Fund, John and Chad Stalvey down in Florida. And then after they get the payment, you're going to get access to have the back office, just like with the one I showed you right here. They're going to clear you to get into your back office, and then they're going to give you an individual link that you can promote, and then you can just start giving away these presentations, and then getting people in front of the presentation too, and then they can start getting out free starter kits that'll be sent out on your behalf by John and Chad Stalvey. You don't even have to pay for the starter kits that are being sent out. Also, as you can see right here, I've had $50 worth of starter kits being sent out, and it's not being deducted out of my pay or anything, or what I get paid, my commissions. So you're not covering those costs for that 6-page flyer and the manila envelopes and the stamps or the postage or anything like that. The company's actually sending out on your behalf, and then they let the flyers do the selling and the telling. There's actually a 1-800 number also you can call, and they'll actually talk about that in this page right here. Request a free starter kit, and then after you fill this page out, it's actually going to show you a 1-800 number that you can actually call with these testimonials about Club Cash Fund. So I just wanted to do an update for 2021 about Club Cash Fund. You want to get started, request a free starter kit, then check that link out in the description. And my phone number is always in the description all the time, along with my Facebook profile. If you have any questions about Club Cash Fund, feel free to reach out to me, give me a text message, or hit me up on Messenger. Hey buddy, I seen your video. I wanted if you have something to ask me about this, if I didn't clarify anything in this video, then feel free to reach out to me. But I hope you found some value in this. It's actually 2:15 in the morning, Monday morning. I need to get to sleep. I was just really hard thought about doing this review video. So check that link out in the description. As you can see, you're seeing all these people that have actually requested starter kits. You know, Glendale requested 57 minutes ago. Glendale, Arizona, 57 minutes ago. Melanie. Robin G requested the starter kit 5 minutes ago, 20 seconds ago. So that's pretty cool. Pretty cool thing about this website. It's showing people that are actually requesting free starter kits in real time. So this is very much at high demand yet. There's people out there in this time and day with everything that's going on in the world. A one-time $100. And, I was up to the summertime before I didn't fix my link. I was actually still getting commissions with this opportunity. I actually, even though the commissions don't seem like it was high profit, what did it show on there? It was like $180. I only spent $80 for this when I joined. So I have $120 profit just from sharing this program, just by doing YouTube video review videos. I didn't even go at it hard and actually prospect people for this opportunity, Mailbox Cash opportunity, like, many should. And I am going to make a Mailbox Cash opportunity Facebook page for the people that join this, so I can give some tips about marketing and ways to prospect and get people in front of your business. Because I know when some people join these opportunities, they have trouble learning how to prospect and get people in front of their business. And I have some cool methods that I can use with Facebook and different ways like traffic exchanges and stuff like that to get people in front of your business. And also for the ones that join me, I'm going to put you on a rotator link, like I said in the beginning of the video. And as a special bonus for the ones that join me with Club Cash Fund, since you're joining for that $100 one time, I'm going to give you a special bonus. Once you join me, I'm going to actually give you a free 7-inch Wi-Fi tablet, and it's all you got to do is pay the shipping, which is only a few bucks. There's no strings attached. That's my bonus towards you guys, sticking out differently from everybody else. You're going to get a free 7-inch Wi-Fi tablet for joining me in Club Cash Fund, and you're also going to get put on that rotator link that's going to be on my videos, and it'll alternate between the different members that are under me. So just a special bonus for joining me with Club Cash Fund. So hope you found some value in this. If you did, hit that subscribe button, hit that thumbs up, and Club Cash Fund Review 2021. All right, guys, I'll see you on the next video. God bless.